Dengue, pronounced dengue, also called breakbone fever, is a mosquito-borne infection that causes several flu-like illness caused by specific virus leads to dengue fever. They are DEN1, DEN2, DEN3, and DEN4, all of which is spread by certain type of mosquito, mostly found in tropical region around the world, where India lies on same. Dengue in India is increasing every year. The case study till 25th July 2016 shows 90% of cases in 2016 is caused only by dengue, and majorly in the season of rain like month of July. For past 6 years, 62% of health cases is only by dengue. Dengue fever can vary from mild to severe, which include dengue hemorrhagic fever (DHF), which starts with high temperature up to 104 to 105 Fahrenheit. Question arises, how are dengue spread? Spreading phenomena take place by bite of a mosquito called Aedes mosquito, which is infected with dengue virus. The mosquito becomes infected with dengue virus when it bites a person who has dengue or DHF. After being infected with dengue virus, mosquito is now ready to spread dengue. Once the virus reaches the bloodstream, it multiplies and leads to fever. Patients who are serious form of dengue fever usually needs to be hospitalized. Its fever comes with specific symptoms like muscle and joint pain, high fever, headache, eye pain, vomit that appears up to 7 days after biting mosquito and disappears after a week. Whereas dengue hemorrhagic fever (DHF) can be mild but worse after a few days, which may be result to death if not treated on time. Its symptoms are mouth bleeding, nose bleeding, cold skin, internal bleeding, stomach ache, vomiting, and weak pulse rate. If the dengue fever is not controlled, it will spread person to person and to over the world. Fact that may surprise you is that there is no vaccine for dengue fever. But the best way to prevent this disease is to avoid being bitten by mosquitoes altogether. By wearing full pant and full sleeve shirt, sleeping with bed net, using mosquito repellent, keeping windows and doors closed in evening, resisting sustained water, and keeping the surrounding areas clean. And we will surely vanish dengue forever.